Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to do another flower using gel paste. First, we apply black gel and curl under the light for 60 seconds. We're going to use Nina D gel paste number 7 and gel brush. Take enough amount of white gel paste. Start with pressing the brush down hard, pull downward, then release the brush. Then we'll do exactly like that right next to the first one to make a bigger petal. I'll repeat those steps until I finish my flower, then I'll start to the next flower. Curl under the light for 60 seconds, then I'm gonna use liner brush to add detail. When finished, apply matte top coat and curl under the light for 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna use marble ink to blend out the color. Then use detail brush to add detail to your flower. For the detail on the flower, I'm using no clean gel paint, so we do not need to apply top coat at the end. This will give you a 3D effect look on the flower. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.